Hi everyone, what's up? Today we are going to learn catalase test. The aim of catalase test is to determine the ability of an organism to produce catalase. Catalase is an enzyme that is present in some bacteria, especially in aerobic and facultative anaerobic bacteria. The catalase test is used to differentiate staphylococci from streptococci. These both bacteria are gram-positive and cocci in shape, so we differentiate these bacteria by using catalase test. The principle of catalase test, as the name cata means cut. So what catalase enzyme do? It cut or break hydrogen peroxide, that is a reagent in catalase test. It cut or breaks hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. You see oxygen gas in the form of bubbles. Now let's see the procedure of catalase test in pictorial view. Apply 1 drop of 3% hydrogen peroxide on the slide. Transfer a bacteria with a plastic loop to the hydrogen peroxide solution. Catalase positive bacteria produce gas, oxygen gas, in form of bubble, which shows that the bacterium has catalase enzyme. Catalase negative bacteria does not have catalase enzyme and therefore oxygen is not formed. Not the fragments of bacterial colonies, but there is no bubbles in the solution. So this is simple and easy procedure of catalase test. The results of catalase test: if you see bubbles, it means that the test is positive, and the positive catalase positive example is staphylococci. Staphylococci bacteria have catalase enzyme. Negative reaction means no bubble. If you see no bubble, it means that it may be streptococci. Streptococci is an example of negative catalase test. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel for more updates. And if you want these slides, you can get it in the description box. Thank you.